So KMRC, Kenya Mortgage Refinance Company. You've probably come across my rent to own properties, and you've been asking yourself, how is this possible? So this has been made possible by what we are calling KMRC, that is the Kenya Mortgage Refinance Company. It's a non-deposit taking institution founded in 2018 under the public-private partnership, and it's regulated by the central bank. The core mandate of KMRC is to bring about affordable housing or affordable home ownership, especially for first-time home buyers. So KMRC has majorly 4 functions. That is what we are calling refinance. And how refinance works is KMRC doesn't give, let's say, loans or financing to direct home buyers. It uses what we call the primary mortgage lending institutions that exist. Those are the Kenya commercial banks and SACCOs. So those are the participating institutions at the moment. And then the other function of KMRC is to bring about affordable housing support. So you've seen the government launch a lot of affordable housing projects. This has also been supported by the KMRC in terms of financing and in terms of just bringing out the structure in terms of which people will use to pay up for a number of years. So that kind of workings has been enabled by the KMRC. Lastly, there's its other function is what we are calling market standardization, and this is just ensuring that the market, when it comes to home ownership, is standard and there are a lot of irregularities. So at the moment, when you try to get financing, you'll get the interest rates vary between 10% up to 25%, but when it comes to home financing, it should be below 10.5%. So what are the major features of KMRC? And we start with the interest rates. So first thing is KMRC has capped interest rates for these kind of home buying, affordable home buying, and most of them are below 10.5%, or basically 10%, because most of the institutions offering these kind of KMRC financed mortgage are offering it at 9%, 9.5%, and 10%. Secondly, it's the repayment period. KMRC have given investors or first-time home buyers a very huge period, repayment period, that is 20 to 25 years. Thirdly, it's property use. The first thing is it has to be a residential property, and they are mostly targeting first-time home buyers. The other thing is the fourth thing is what is the loan limit? How much can you be able to access in this type of financing? So the maximum amount offered by KMRC is 10.5 million. So if you're looking for a property within that kind of range, they can be able to finance it. So lastly, who are the participating institutions, what we are calling the primary mortgage lenders? These are Kenya commercial banks. So for instance, a lot of banks are participating. We have SACCOs and we have microfinances. So in the next video, I'll look at the participating institutions, and I'll give you a list of those institutions.